Good evening to respected chairperson and one and all. Today as a part of presentation, I am here to present on the topic effect of Kadli Kandadi Kshara Yoga in the management of Vataja Ashmari. Coming to the introduction part of aspect, Ashmari is considered to be one of the most common disorder of the urinary system and is considered to be one of the Ashtamahagada. With respect to its incidence, it is found to be high with the age group of 20 to 30 years of age. With respect to sex ratio, it is found more to be in the male, that is 4:3. In the present surgical practice, it is found very difficult to treat the Ashmari effectively in spite of presence of many modern parameters. Many modern parameters, it is found difficult to reduce the Ashmari. Coming to aims and objective, the aims and objective is to evaluate the effect of Kadli Kandadi Kshara Yoga in management of Vataja Ashmari and to assist specific type of Ashmari in which it is useful and to assist whether the drug is having Mutrala property or Ashmari Vedana property. The materials and methods used were the source of data, study design and dosage. Here 20 diagnosed cases of Vataja Ashmari were selected for study from inpatient and outpatient department of SDM College of Ayurveda and Hospital Hassan. The patient were given with Kadli Kandadi Kshara Yoga for the period of 3 weeks in the dose of 1 gram. The subjective and objective parameters were assessed based on the collecting data and analyzed with the relevant statistical parameters. Here inclusion criteria were the patient presenting with the Lakshana of Vataja Mutra Ashmari as per the classics, and the patient was selected irrespective of sex, occupation, race, chronicity, socio-economic status. Patient were confirmed by any of the diagnostic criteria. Exclusion criteria included here is the patient contraindicated for the Paniya Kshara and patient with a renal failure, tuberculosis and other disorder of the urinary system. Assessment criteria was made based on the pain abdomen, frequency of micturition, hematuria, burning micturition and size of the stone. With respect to observation, here we can see that the maximum number of the stones they were found between the age group of 20 to 30 years. With respect to sex, the more incidence was noted in the male patients. With respect to size of the stone, 12 number of stones were noted between the size of 4 to 8 mm. And side of the stone, most of the stone were noticed from the renal. Results of the treatment was in the series of 20 patients of Ashmari, 20 patients were cured, 55 patients were improved and remaining 25 patients showed no reduction in the size of the stone. Coming to the subjective analysis based on the statistical parameter, with respect to pain abdomen, there was a significant effect noted by the drug at the end of the treatment. With respect to burning micturition, also the significant level of relief by the treatment was noted. With respect to hematuria, also there was a significant level of relief noted. Frequency of micturition, no so much relief was noted. With respect to size of the stone, marked relief with significant level was noted where P value was more than the obtained value. In the urine examination, the drug showed a marked effect in the reduction of the pH value and specific gravity. Coming to discussion part, expulsion of the stone is due to the combined effect of the formulation. That is, as per the classic, there is no direct reference for the dosage of the Kadli Kandadi Kshara Yoga, but here the dose was fixed individually on the basis of normal dosage of the Kshara. That is, Kadli Kandadi Kshara was taken 0.5 gram and Palasha Kshara 0.5 gram. Water was taken 40 ml. This alkaline, the pH of the drug was found to be 10. This alkaline nature of the drug reduces the acidic condition of the urine to the alkali, which is one of the main cause for the formation of the calculus. In the present study, the proposed duration of treatment is 3 weeks, which was insufficient to expel the stones. Hence, it may require a longer time to get the significant effect. The study was carried out on 20 patients, which is a small sample. Here suggestion is given for further study to conduct on large number of patients. It is very difficult to give a definite explanation which effect in the formulation has more efficacious. Combined effect of the drug can be said as the Ashmari is one of the disease where cardiac Shara can be indicated. The drug can be said as the effect of the drug can be said as due to its Ashmarigna, Chedana, Bhedana property and Mutrala property of the drug. The drug might have acted on the Ashmari by changing the pH value. The mechanism of stone formation is nucleation of the calcium oxalates in the collecting duct. Probable mode of action is intrinsic correction of impairment in renal tubular reabsorption of calcium by this drug. Conclusion part. With respect to site and size of the stone, no much change were observed. The stones which are passed are maximum from the ureter, which shows a significant level expelling action of the trial drug. Thank you.
Question time.
More than question, I want to give you some suggestions. 4 to 8 millimeter stone is really very small size. Many of us may be having such stones and we don't even feel anything. And secondly, calcium oxalate as a stone is the least proportion reported in the country. The main type of stones that are found are brucite and pyruvite, which are more phosphate and pyrophosphate kind of salts, which are very difficult to dissolve and remove. And in your evaluation, did you measure the size through ultrasound?
Ultrasound, sir.
But you have not mentioned it. You should have said that. Otherwise, how do you measure the size? And I think you gave treatment for what, 21 days?
Yes.
It's very short. It takes about 2.5 months if some stones need to be flushed out. Okay, so these are some suggestions. So if you present this paper somewhere else, don't make a statement as calcium oxalate.
Okay.
Right? Please refer to urolithiasis. There are very good papers in the last 5 years. Very interesting data is available.
Thank you, sir.
Is your drug acted as for expulsion or to dissolving stone?
So actually the objective was to assess whether the drug is having Bhedana or Mutrala property and to assess whether the drug in which type of Ashmari it is effective. The passed stone is sent for analysis. Based on that they have diagnosed, made it as calcium oxalate.
Maybe you should do little more literature search. Your work is good, whatever they have told you have done. There is in vitro models available now to measure and study the ability to dissolve and reduce the size and help in flattening out the stone. There are models available. And what you have used, Kadali Kanda, that is our Dindu, Kannada we call it Dindu. You have used the Kshara.
Yes.
So it is been proven in the in vitro study that it helps in dissolving these salts because of the change in pH and certain other modes which is still under studies. So your work, you should have done some literature search, lot of literature search. You would have got much more information.
Do you have any references that this Kadaliganda Kshara is specifically mentioned in Vata Ashmari?
No sir, the reference is collected from Rasa Charangiri. In that they are not mentioned exactly in which type of Ashmari it has to be indicated. Here you want to assess.
Selected this particular drug?
Actually the study was made done to assess the drug in which particular type of Ashmari it might be effective. To assess that the drug was tried.
This drug is helping in other Ashmaris also? Vata Ashmari also?
Only four patients were found marked relief, sir, and remaining five patients they showed marked relief in the symptoms. Remaining 11 only they showed only little improvement. So
Marked improvement to stone expelled or
no, sir, with respect to symptoms.
the symptom?
Thank you, sir.